friends, welcome back. I'm so excited you are here. We're going to do a fun craft using paper roll. These are just ones that we have had here. We kind of keep them for crafts. We're also going to use this sticky sticker style glittery paper from Dollar Tree. If you don't have it, you can use regular construction paper or even paint. We're going to use ribbon. These are just two ribbon that complement the design very nicely, but use what you have at home. We're going to use these Dollar Tree letter stickers, as well as some regular stickers. They're just going to be fun ones here and there. Just pick whatever you have that you think will complement the design. We're also going to use my hot glue, and we are going to use my scissors. We're going to start with the pink paper, and we're just going to take the roll and just mark 3 areas going up the long ways. And then we're going to take my ruler, which we're going to use a ruler too. We're going to trace a line down those dots, and then we're going to cut. Once we have it cut, we are going to fold it in half, and we are going to cut right down that middle section. This is because one of these will cover both of the rolls if you cut them in half. We're going to remove the back just like a sticker, and we're going to place the roll, and we're just going to roll it around. Now, if it's a little uneven on the edges, you can trim it and cut it if you want. Mine was a little uneven. That's okay. We're going to cover it up anyways. We're going to do the same thing with the second roll. Remove the sticky part or the paper from the back, and we're going to cover up the roll just like you see me doing here. And again, you can trim, see like I'm doing, any excess, but again, we're going to cover that up so it won't matter. Here they are. We're going to do the same thing with the blue glittery paper. We're going to speed it up for you, but to review, we're going to mark, then we're going to make a line and cut down the center. Then we are going to fold it and cut it halfways. And then, of course, remove the back paper, reveal the sticky side, and cover each paper roll. Trim as needed, and then now you have 4 rolls that look just like this. How cute. We're going to take the ribbon that complement each color, and we are going to cover that top and bottom rim. This is why I said it doesn't matter if it's not even, because we're going to cover it up. We're going to add a dab of hot glue on one end and then wrap it around the top rim and cut off the excess after securing it with more hot glue. And of course, we're going to do the same thing on the bottom one. We're going to use the yellow on both the blue ones because that blue and yellow really look nice together. And then we're going to use the blue ribbon and place it on the pink paper because it complements it really well. And we're going to do the same thing. How adorable are these looking? Oh my word, look how cute. We're making fun play binoculars. So we're just going to add hot glue right down the center, and we are going to just attach them together. So make sure you add the glue where the paper kind of ends, where the flap is, and it'll make it so much easier. All right, so we're going to take the letters, and we're just going to spell, I'm going to spell my kid's name, one on each one, because why not, right? Here's the thing though, the glittery paper was not helping out with these letters sticking. You're going to see me trying to attach them over and over again. I ended up having to take some Mod Podge, and I'll show you that here in just a minute. All right, we're going to move on to some stickers. So just take whatever you want. You can leave them like this. You can hand paint some hearts, some stars, whatever you want. I'm just going to keep adding stickers as I see fit and how I like the design. All right, so here's where I decided to just go ahead and add Mod Podge. So if I were you, and if you're using the glittery paper, just start using Mod Podge from the get because it is not sticking at all. So needless to say, the letters are not the best looking. It's not my best work, but it worked in the end because they loved it. All right, so now that it's drying, I'm just going to add one extra little butterfly there on top of the pink one. How cute. We're going to take more of the blue ribbon. We're just going to make a little handle, like something where they can hang it from their necks, And we're going to take the yellow ribbon and do the same thing on the other set of binoculars because it just needs it. And look how adorable these are. Oh my word, this will make such a fun craft to do in the summer, to look at birds, bugs, the sky, whatever you want. Let me know what you think of this one. And I have another video here for you with a lot more crafts. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.